Do you consider yourself an activist?
No, no. There might be some people who think of us that way. I don't know. There have been people who said to us, well, whether you know it or not, whether you like it or not, you are visibly a part of this Yiddish culture, which is either having something of a renaissance because enough time has passed since the Holocaust that the third generation down now wants to bring it back in a more active way. So that's activism, you could say, or at least it's consciously, actively saying, I want to take Yiddish classes at University of Tel Aviv or go to Vilnius. Why? No one speaks it. Who are you going to speak it to? Everyone who speaks it is going to be in Vilnius with you, and then what are you going to do? Or no, there's pockets now of places where people who are not religious are speaking it. And we were in Krakow last year, and there's people learning Yiddish, and they're not Jewish, and they just like it because there's this whole rich culture that comes with it that all but almost vanished in the last century. And so let's go explore that and whatever. But I consider myself an entertainer, and I'm able to, and Ellie's able to draw on our Jewish education that we had for all those years in school and in going to Israel and Jewish camps and just being immersed in the culture for the first 18 years of our life, that we know that when we write this stuff, people get a certain educational element out of it that non-Jews and some Jews just didn't know certain things that we can speak to. But I don't consider that activism or education, really.